guys, welcome back to the Gaskets Head, and today I'm just going to show you quickly how to change the headlamp dip beam bulb on a 2007 to 2010 Ford C-Max. So first things first, just need to flip the Ford badge, pop your key in, one turn to the left, and that'll just release it on the first click, and then all the way to the right, and that'll allow you to open the bonnet. So we'll just pop that up. And just remember to take the key out, because what you end up doing while you're working around the front of them is you can easily nudge it with your leg and snap that key, which you don't want to do. Just take it out and get it out of the way. Right, we're going to get this headlight popped out now. Now on these, because of the location of the cap and the bulb, unless you've got the hands of a toddler and the fine motor skills of a surgeon, you are not going to get the bulb out of there. It's just too tight. So don't worry, it's really easy to pop this headlamp out. There are two things to note. Obviously, first we need to undo this screw, which is a T30, although you can use a large flathead screwdriver if you haven't got a Torx bit. The only bit you'll have to notice though, there's two little spring tabs. One just down the side of the adjuster, the yellow adjuster there, and then there's one just on the other side. You can see it best from here really. There we go. It might be a bit difficult to see, but you can just see the little metal tab on it that sits on the sort of radiator slash slam panel. So I'll get this set up so you can see me popping this headlight out, and we'll get this bulb changed over. Right, now we're going to take the headlamp out. So first things first, we just need to undo this top T30 screw. And secondly, just using either two long screwdrivers or pry bars, whatever you've got, we're just going to gently pop down on the tabs at the back there. Now you won't be able to see what these are touching, but you'll be able to see them when you look over it. And then we just simply lever them against the slam panel. You can just pop that headlamp forward and that's it. It's free to come out now, so just carefully lift it out, turn it over. We can just pop the bulb cover off, and now we can change the bulb. Right guys, I've taken the lamp off and put it on the bench purely because you guys won't be able to see what I'm doing in the back of here if it was still on the car, but you don't have to do that. You can leave it on, do not need to take it off. It's just for this video. These are the two little tabs that you press down on to release it. When you do release them, don't put loads of weight on them because you will end up snapping them. You can buy them separately, but try not to break them if you can. So I'll get you zoomed in. And I'll show you up close how you take this bulb out and switch it over. So all it is two little T20 Torx. There's no traditional spring clip on these that'll ping off or break or whatever. Just note on the top of this little connector there's a little tab there. Just sits against this half moon piece on the housing. So all we need to do with these is back them off a turn or so. They're not on tight at all, so you don't have to worry about that. There we go. And once that's done, you can just twist it anti-clockwise, pull the bulb out. Then on the bulb itself, it has a little tab at the bottom. That just marries up with a little tab again on this housing. So this is the old one. Just get rid of this bulb without touching the glass on the new one. We'll just get that one popped in, just like so. And again, just pop it into the housing, clockwise turn, and just hold that tab up against the half moon piece. You just got to put a bit of pressure on it because it will try to turn the other way when you're screwing it down. So just nip that up. You don't have to do them extra tight, it's only a little screw. And there we go, that's in. So we'll just get the cap on the back and we'll get it back in the car. Okay, we're just going to get the headlamp back in now. Now this is how you would do it on the car. This is the sort of position it would be. You just remove this little rubber cover at the back, change the bulb over, pop the cover back on. Then to put the headlamp back, all we do is just put in the inside or the centre bit into the centre sort of area. And it literally just settles down, pop it back, and those clips have locked on now. So just pop this little screw back in. Noisy thing. There we go, and let's check if this headlamp works. And there we go, guys. That's that headlamp done. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.